Get ready for the dictation. Start. Petitioner made inquiry and came to know that AU started certain correspondence courses and for that purpose established an institute of correspondence course and continuing education. Respondent 3 was appointed as lesson writer on 8/12/1985. The said appointment was made without any process of selection under UP Act 1973 and without advertisement of vacancy, etc. Initial appointment of Respondent 3 was till 30/6/1986. Appointment was made by Director, Institute of Correspondence Course and Continuing Education on payment of honorarium of rupees 500 per month. The said appointment was challenged by one Rameswar Prasad Tripathi through a petition filed under Section 68 of UP Act 1973 before Chancellor AU. One of the ground of challenge was that Respondent 3 was not selected by any statutory selection committee under the provisions of UP Act 1973. Appointment was made on account of fact that maternal uncle Ganga Prasad Pandey of Respondent 3 was a member of Executive Council and he actually participated in the process of selection. Brother-in-law of Ganga Prasad Pandey, that is Syam Kumar Pandey, who was also member of Executive Council, both were instrumental and participated in selection of Respondent 3. When Chancellor sought comments from AU, it informed that appointment of Respondent 3 has been terminated on 30/6/1986. In view thereof, petition/representation made before Chancellor under Section 68 of UP Act 1973 rendered infructuous and it was rejected by Chancellor vide communication dated 28/8/1986. Respondent 3, however, was re-engaged to work in ICCCE on account of his close relations to members of Executive Council. It appears that in 1996, Respondent 3 sought permission from head of Sanskrit department to allow him to take some Sanskrit classes, but it was declined vide letter dated 3/1/1996 by head department of Sanskrit stating that Sanskrit classes in the department can be taken only by teachers appointed in the department. He further said that whenever there is any shortage of teachers, the department's research students, associate students, pool officers are allowed to take classes, but Respondent 3 not being anyone otherwise cannot be permitted. Respondent 3 submitted a joining letter dated 30/5/1998 to the head Department of Sanskrit, AU, stating that pursuant to regularization order dated 29/5/1998, he is submitting his joining on 30/5/1998 with retrospective effect from 1/4/1989. The head Sanskrit department did not accept said joining. He inquired from registrar AU vide letter stating that there existed no vacancy on 1/4/1989 or even the date when Respondent 3 submitted joining, that is 30/5 1998. Hence it should be clarified as to the post where against respondent 3 can be allowed to join in the Department of Sanskrit, and until it is clarified it will not be possible to provide duty to respondent 3 in Department of Sanskrit. It is also pleaded that on 9/10/1994, respondent 3 had filed a representation before Vice Chancellor AU claiming benefit of Section 31 within bracket 3B and Section 31 within bracket 3C of Act 1973 against a post of lecturer in Sanskrit Department of AU, which was rejected by Vice Chancellor vide order dated 7/1/1995. Thereafter, respondent 3 filed a reference petition before Chancellor, which was also rejected by Chancellor vide order dated 16/6/1996. The said order of Chancellor was not challenged by respondent 3 and it became final stop.